We have an in-house design team because we look after 14 regions, and we have to ensure that all the designs are the same and we keep the consistency throughout nationwide. We actually select what goes into the show homes, so we're always looking at the next thing. What we do is we select kitchens, tiles, fireplaces, carpets, you name it. We get our inspirations from everywhere. I always say nature is the best inspiration because you can see it every day. We also attend lots of trend exhibitions, so we're always going to Birmingham, Manchester, Paris, Milan, London, you name it, to go and capture the trends. We're also doing a lot of forecasting so we can capture them early. Anyone would recognise a Redrow street scene. It's got that fabulous wow factor, curb appeal. It's things that people can relate to, and it makes a house a home. And when we do our houses, people open the front door and feel that they can just move in straight away. I've done many open houses in the past. We have lots of customers coming to have a look around the houses. You get such fabulous feedback. So what we do is we talk a little bit about who we are, what we do, why the brand's so successful, and then do a guided tour around the show homes. The customers that come is going to take away such a great knowledge of interior design, hopefully, and learn lots of interesting facts and the process of how the Redrow interior design team work. They get their notepads out and say, what's the wallpaper? What's the paint colour? Can you let me know what the carpet makers? So it's good fun. So one of our smallest houses, for example, the Warwick, you're looking at young 30s who buy that house. So you get to see where they work, what they drive, how much money they've got, and that guides how we accessorise the house so people can relate to it. And then if you come into a Richmond where we are today, obviously the Richmond costs a lot more than a Warwick, so it's more aspirational. It's very exciting 2019. It's all about neutrals and lots of warm browns. Browns are coming back, and combining those with lots of metallics and brass golds. Black is the main colour. Black's seen everywhere at the moment. That's in accessories, furniture. It's got that gorgeous classical feel, or you can go ultra contemporary, Scandi feel too. But you'll see in the Leamington, we've got beautiful black furniture with chrome handles. In the Warwick, the living room, you've got black mirrors, frames, lamps. So it's just putting the black into the interior design, but only ever so slightly. We've got a certain look and feel that our customers know and love, and hopefully the customers can see that we're always pushing to the next level and incorporating bits that they've never seen before that you don't find on the high street.
Well, I got invited on Instagram. We have a Redrow Warwick, and I absolutely love Redrow houses. So to come round the different show homes, it was just an opportunity I couldn't miss, really.
We decided to come to the open house event today because we recently purchased a Redrow home, and we want some inspiration to design it, really.
Yeah, no, it's been really good, it's been really helpful, and we'll just go home and start shopping now.
When you purchase a Redrow home, it's like a blank canvas, and you have to start and put in all the features and colours in, and I think this has really taught me how I can do it.
I didn't know what to expect when I come because I've never been to one before, but 100%, yeah, I think it's been a fantastic day out.